With the new Redmi Note 10 family, Xiaomi is offering more premium features than ever. Hey guys, this is Tech Rookies and today we're going to talk about some special features of the Redmi Note 10. First, always on display. Since this phone comes with a Super AMOLED display, you can have an always on display with any text or picture. You can customize this in the display settings. Edge lighting. This feature is useful for notifications. Whenever you get notifications, you will be alerted with edge lighting. You can choose from 3 available edge lighting options. System-wide dark mode. Because of the Super AMOLED display, Xiaomi has given the option for a system-wide dark mode, which can be enabled from the notification panel. Floating windows. Long press on any app opened in the recent tabs will give you 4 options. Choosing the third option will make the app go into floating window mode. You can also see it at the top of the recent tab. New control center. Open settings and go to notification and control center. Control center style and select the new version. App drawer. You can enable the app drawer by going into settings, into home screen settings, and select the with app drawer option. Wi-Fi tethering. You can share your hotspot while you are connected to Wi-Fi. This feature can be used as a Wi-Fi extender. Video toolbox. Go to settings, choose special features and open the video toolbox. And here you can manage the apps in which you can use the video toolbox. Scrolling screenshot. After taking a screenshot, you can scroll and take as long as the screenshot you want. Extreme traffic mode. You can give Wi-Fi priority to the app you are currently using by going into Wi-Fi settings and Wi-Fi assistant. Turn on traffic mode and select extreme traffic mode. Adjust sound in multiple apps. Go to sound settings and go into sound assistant. And select adjust media sound in multiple apps option. Now you can adjust the volume for different apps at the same time. Privacy protection for files. You have to go to security settings, set up a privacy protection password, and you can hide any files you want. App Lock. You get an inbuilt app lock which you can set up in settings to increase privacy. Clear Speaker. The Clear Speaker option will play a loud sound for 30 seconds which will help clear any dust in your speakers and which will result in clear sound. Quick Ball. You can enable Quick Ball in additional settings and access screenshot, home and menu shortcuts. That's the top 15 amazing features from the Redmi Note 10. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get updated when we upload new videos like this.